Welcome to our channel.
Hello everybody, welcome to Fluentmere English podcast.
Welcome, dear listeners, to Deep Heart Conversations with Anna and Charles. Today we're bringing you a story that's not just a story. It's a silent lesson on love, patience, loneliness, and sacrifice. Today's story is small, but the silence within it is vast. It's about a woodpecker and a tree. But actually, it's not just their story. It's the story of all of us.
One day, a woodpecker came and told a lonely, peaceful tree, "I love you." A tree had never heard such words from a bird's mouth before. It was surprised. The air seemed to stop.
The tree slowly spread its branches like a gentle embrace. It said, "If you want to stay, stay. If you need shelter, I'll provide it. If you need protection, I'll give it." And just like that, the woodpecker built a nest inside its body. Small, warm, safe.
The days changed. Mornings woke up to the bird's voice. Afternoons played with the rustling leaves of the tree. And in the evenings, the world became even more peaceful in their silent companionship. The tree never asked for anything. The bird was its silent joy.
A lot of time passed. One day, the woodpecker told the tree, "The sky is calling me. I want to go. I want to fly again." For a moment, the tree's roots trembled. The leaves paused. Then, in a soft voice, the tree said, "If your wings break, come back. I'll be here."
How deep is the meaning in these words, right? It's not just permission. It's a promise of waiting. It's the mature form of love. The bird flew away, and from that moment on, some loved as birds and some as trees.
This story seems simple on the surface, but deep down, it touches the deepest truth of human emotions. Some give, some take. Some stay, some fly away. Some wait, some search for the open sky.
Exactly. Love doesn't always look the same. The two people in a relationship have different roles. The one whose love is steady becomes the tree. The one whose love is free becomes the bird. No one's love is bad or good. It's just different.
And the bird's love is about flying free. It loves, then goes away. It doesn't mean bonds. It loves freedom. But that doesn't mean it's emotionless. It's just a different way of loving. Why do we sometimes become birds?
We become birds when there's a strong desire in our hearts to find something new, a new world, new feelings, new possibilities. That attraction takes us away from the familiar, safe shelter.
Being a bird isn't about forgetting. Sometimes it's a journey to find one's own existence. That's why the bird in the story didn't abandon the tree. It just flew away towards its own call. Why do we sometimes become trees? We become trees when love plants deep roots in our hearts. Then we stay, even if the other leaves.
The tree's love is about endurance, patience, and silent strength. It knows maybe the bird won't return, yet it says, "If your wings break, come back. I'll be here." This isn't blind love, it's mature love. There's no demand, just space, shelter.
This story teaches us love isn't always equal. The two people in a relationship have different roles. The one with steady love becomes the tree. The one with free love becomes the bird. No one's love is wrong. It's just different.
And the biggest lesson is love doesn't mean holding someone back. Love means giving them the freedom to find their own sky and still keeping space for them in your heart.
The pain inside the tree is silent. The bird's departure creates new wounds on its body, like an empty room where once there was life. Now there's only an echo.
But the tree doesn't break because it knows love means both holding on and letting go.
And the bird also has inner conflict. It hasn't forgotten the tree. It just wanted to follow its own truth. The call of the sky is the call of its inner journey. And we all answer that call at some point in life.
Maybe looking at our own lives, we understand sometimes we were trees, sometimes birds. Sometimes we waited for someone, sometimes we flew away.
Relationships are like that. Sometimes steady, sometimes restless. Sometimes we stay, sometimes we leave. But love is real when we give freedom and still keep space in our hearts.
Dear listeners, if today's story touched your heart, let us know. Who was the bird in your life, and who was the tree?
Tune in again to Deep Heart Conversations, where we touch the softest corners of human hearts.
That's it for today. Stay well. May love bring peace to your life.